evening.
Hi, good evening.
Okay, how are you, Akira?
Mm, uh, I feel I have feel some tired in my
Oh, Akira, I'm very sorry I cannot hear you clearly. Um, can you please get your microphone near you so that I can hear you?
uh can, can you listen my voice?
Oh, yes, it's better now. Thank you very much. Okay, so once again, how are you today?
Uh not bad.
Not
But
bad.
I feel some I feel tired. With,
Okay, you're feeling a little. Oh, you're feeling tired today, of course, because you have done a lot of work, right? Yes, okay, so don't you worry. Now, this will be, I guess, not be stressful for you right now. So, we will just make it simple, okay? Okay, so this time, are you ready for the class?
yes, I'm ready.
Yes. Okay, so as we remember, we had discussed about some words or vocabulary words that we could encounter in this lesson. And now we also have the friend finder. We have
Yes,
discussed about the friend finder, and we have met Ted and Anna. Okay, so we also you have what do you call this one? You have answered this first two questions or first three questions that we have here, right?
yes.
Yes. Okay, so this time let us proceed to the last part of the question. Now, we will have here create or your own online profile and compare it with a partner. How are you the same and different? Okay, so this time I have put here a table. Can you see this one, Akira?
Yes.
Okay, so I have put here Akira's profile, that will be yours, and Teacher Dean's profile. Now this time, since the instruction here is compare it with a partner, okay,
Okay.
I will be your partner in doing this one. Then afterwards, we will see what are the same and different, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so I will let you type down in this part, okay, the information that we have, like what we have here in Ted and Anna, but just put the information of yours, okay, your own information, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so just type it down and I will also type my own and we will discuss our profiles later, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so let's start.
Okay. So,
Okay, so type it down in your part, in this part. Hello?
hello?
Hello, Akira. What you will do is you will like put the information that you have here in your profile. Can you see
Okay.
this one?
Yes.
Yes, you will type down like what I did. So
Okay.
if I'm female, then you will put yours. Okay, that's good. Yes, or you will say male. Okay, so if you're talking about sex, then that would be male. That's good. Hello?
Hello?
Okay, so are you done right now?
Yes, I'm done.
Yes.
I'm done.
Okay, so I can see that you're all done. So this time, let us compare our profile. So let us see which ones are the same or which ones are different. So let's start with this one. Of course, in the sex, you are male and I am female. Okay, so your current city is Taipei. I am in Panabo City. Your hometown is Taipei. My hometown is Cagayan de Oro City. This is your email, AkiraWu@gmail.com. My email is mine_Deann10@yahoo.com. Your college is Nation Taiwan Ocean University, and I am from Notre Dame of Marble University. Okay, so your employer is this Red Cypress? Am I right?
Yes, Red Cypress.
Yes, Red Cypress, and I am Aloe. So your likes and interests is I like play golf I also like climb. My likes and interests is I like music and reading. I also like food. Okay, so where do you think is the same? Is there some things that are the same?
The same is we are graduates at from university.
In the university, yes, we are both from universities. How about another one? Is there anything else?
And I like
Okay, so is there anything that we are the same? Or the same with me, sorry. Hello?
Hello?
Okay, so is there anything the same with our information here?
I like to play golf.
Okay, so you like to play golf, yes. Now this time, as you can see, apart from we're both from universities, or we're graduates from universities, there are most of the things here that we have in our profile are not the same, right?
Yes.
Yes, so they're not the same. Now this time we will have here, I would just like to correct your sentence here. So you said I like play golf. Okay, you also said I also like climb. Let us just highlight them both red. Okay, so instead of saying I like play golf, you can say I like to play golf.
Okay, I like to play golf.
Okay, and I like to climb.
I like to climb.
Yes, very good. So now when you're using this one, or when you say I like to, okay, or you want to do something, you can say I like to swim, or I like to read, or I like to jump, I like to talk. So you should always put the word to, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so anyway, thank you very much for completing your profile and comparing it with my profile. Now, do you have any questions with this part?
No.
No questions. So
No question.
that's good. Now this time let us go to the part 2. Can you see part 2? Can you see here?
Okay. Yes, but I can see part 2 conversation.
Okay, so our part 2 conversation is Where did you learn to skate? Okay, so this time we will have here a conversation between Ted and Anna. Now, the first instruction, the first instruction is listen and practice. Okay, so what you will need to do is to listen first the audio. Can you see this one?
Yes.
Okay, so you just have your you will just click that audio file. Click that audio file and listen to it. Okay. So while listening, I would like you to observe how Ted and Anna are talking to each other. Okay? Okay, so I will give you time to listen and just tell me once you are done. Okay? Okay, so can you start? Just click this audio file.
Okay.
Okay, so we have here, the conversation, sorry. Okay, so we have here the conversation of Ted and Anna. So now let us have a role play, a little bit of role play on how Ted and Anna have talked to each other. Okay, so you will read the part of Ted and I will be reading the part of Anna. Will that be okay? Okay, so can you start?
Oh, I'm really sorry. Are you okay?
I'm fine, but I'm not very good at this.
Neither am I. Hi, I like your shirt. Are you from Argentina?
Yes, I am. Originally, I was born there.
Did you grow up there?
Yes, I did, but my family moved here 10 years ago when I was in the middle school.
And where did you learn to skate?
Here in the park. This is only my third time.
Well, it's my first time. Can you give me some lessons?
Okay, sure. Just follow me.
By the way, my name is Ted.
And I'm Anna. Nice to meet you. Okay, so thank you very much for reading the part of Ted with me in our role play. So this time, do you have any questions with Ted and Anna's conversation?
No question.
Okay, no questions. So this time, let us have our question below. Okay, so we have here, listen to the rest of the conversation. So what two more things you learn about Ted? So this time, this will be the part 2 of the conversation between Ted and Anna. Okay, so I will give you time to listen to that, and after that, you will tell me what are the things that you have learned about Ted. Okay? Okay, so again, open the video or the audio file that is in here.
Okay. And I start listening.
Okay, so you can now listen to it.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so are you done right now?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. So this time, what are the two things that you have learned about Ted?
The cat have fun, and and end up ask Ted more introduce himself. Ted say he is he work at travel emergency, and he is a computer. He work at charge computer. So she is a computer specialist. And Anna asked Ted, can he help? Can he need some help for the computer question? And Ted said, it's no problem. But the first he need Anna skating lesson.
Okay, very good. So, wow, thank you very much for identifying. So, the first one is that Ted is... Oh, sorry. So, he is a computer specialist, right?
Yes.
Okay, so what is the other one?
And what is the one about Ted? And he want to learn skating. She want to have a skating lesson.
Okay, so he is interested in skating lessons. Okay, so thank you very much for answering that one. So as you can see, they have introduced each other. Okay, so they have introduced themselves to each other. So now this time, do you have any questions with Anna and Ted's conversation?
No question.
No question. So let us move on to the grammar focus. So here we also have another audio file. So what you would do is to listen to the audio file and then let us discuss what are referring to the time in the past here. Okay, so now this time, can you click the audio file for the grammar focus?
Okay, I open the audio file. And,
Page 3, exercise.
Yes.
Grammar focus. Past tense.
Where were you born?
I was born in Argentina.
Were you born in Buenos Aires?
Yes, I was. No, I wasn't. I was born in...
Okay, listen to sound.
Okay, so as you can hear, our grammar focus is just the same here with our referring to the time past, right? Okay, yes. So you have listened to how they should be said correctly. For example, where were you born? I was born in Argentina. Okay, so can you read the following sentences that you have listened to?
Okay. Where were you born? I was born in Argentina. Were you born in Buenos Aires? Yes, I was. No, I wasn't. I was born in Kotaba. When did you move to Los Angeles? I moved here 10 years ago. I didn't speak English. Did you take English class in Argentina? Yes, I did. I took classes for a year. No, I didn't. My aunt taught me at home.
Okay, very good. That was really brilliant. So this time we have here, where were you born? I was born in Argentina. Where were you born in? Buenos Aires. Yes, I was. No, I wasn't. I was born in Cordoba. When did you move to Los Angeles? I moved here 10 years ago. I didn't speak English. Did you take English classes in Argentina? Yes, I did. I took classes for a year. No, I didn't. My aunt taught me at home. So as you can see, there are highlighted words here, right? Let me just highlight that. So I was born were okay, so was, wasn't, did, moved, didn't speak, or I just didn't speak. Now did, and then we have here another did and took. And then we have here didn't and taught. Okay, so all of these words are in the past tense. Okay, so since our grammar focus is in the past tense, when we say past tense or referring time in the past or referring to time in the past, you are going to use past tense verbs. Okay, so for example, if that is already done or it was already finished, okay, so you will use a past tense verb. For example, you are already done with washing dishes. So you will say, for example, I will just put it here. You can say, example, I washed the dishes. Okay, so as you can see, the verb wash is in ed because it is already in the past tense. That means it is already in, or it was already done. Okay. So that is I washed the dishes. So there are a lot of past or ways on how you can have the verb in past tense. Okay, so my example is that I have, or in my example, I have put the ed at the last part of the word washed. Okay, so do you know any other verbs that in past tense?
He left his country 10 years ago.
Is that left?
Left.
Okay, very good. So your example is he left his country a few years ago. Okay, that's great. That's very good. So left here is our verb or past tense verb. Okay? so Akira, do you have any questions with our past tense verbs?
Okay, no question.
No questions. So this time, let us complete these conversations below, then practice with a partner. Okay, so this time we will complete these sentences here with our past tense verb like were, was, did, moved, or anything that is appropriate for each of the sentences. Are you ready?
Okay.
So let us start with the letter A. So I will be completing letter A and you will be completing letter B. Okay?
I completed A and then you completed B, is right?
Okay. So I will complete B. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, very good. Next, how about in number 2?
It's okay.
Good. Okay, remember that is in past tense. What did you?
What did you?
Yes. Because that is during the middle school, so it happened a long time ago. Okay. Okay, so it was... Oh, sorry, my dog is barking too. Okay, sorry for that. Now, what did you think of English class at first? It's a little bit difficult, but fine. Okay, so how about number 3, letter A?
You have been teacher when you
What? Okay, so is that were? What were she teach? You can change that
what
to another verb.
did she?
Yes, that's perfect. Okay, so this time let us have our practice conversation. So we will read it one by one. Now you will read your part, letter A, and I will be reading my part, letter B. Okay?
Okay, is it is here you was a try is what is right? I'm not sure if here is what.
Oh, when you have the word you, then you will it will be followed with the word or past tense of are, which is were. Okay?
Okay.
It should be were.
Were.
So you can change that.
You were. I was.
Okay. I was because I sometimes or most of the time uses plural forms of verbs. That would be the base form, but in this case, when you say this one in past tense, I am would be I was. Okay? Okay. So this time let us have our practice conversation. So can you start with the letter A?
Okay. Where were you born?
I was born in South Korea.
Did you grow up there?
No, I didn't. I grew up in Canada.
When did you begin to study English?
I did in middle school.
What did you think of English class at first?
I thought it was a little difficult. But fun. I'm sorry. I forgot this one. It was a little difficult but fun.
Okay. Did you have a favorite teacher when you were a child?
Yes, I did. I liked an excellent teacher named Miss Paris.
What did she teach?
She taught science. Okay, so let's check. We have you were. That's correct. I was. Did you grow up there? I didn't. I grew. Okay, so grow here would be changed into grew since this one is the past tense of the word grow. Now, when did you begin to study English? That is also correct. That should be did. And we have here I did in middle school. Okay, next, what did you think of English class? Oh, sorry. What did you think of English class since that was in the middle school? So the past tense of think would be I thought. That would be thought. It was a little difficult but fun. Did you have a favorite teacher when you were a child? So that is correct. Oh. And then we have here, yes, I did. That's also good. I liked. Okay, so when you have something that is your favorite, that means you like it. So I have used the word liked. So what did she teach? The past tense of teach here is, I will use it as taught. Okay, so good job. Now this time, do you have any questions with having our past tense verbs?
No problem.
No questions with that. Okay, so this time, let us have our letter B, pair word. Take turns asking the questions in part A and give your own information when answering. So this time we will have again a listening part in life as an immigrant. Listen to interviews with 2 immigrants to the United States. Where are they from? Okay, so let us listen again to another audio file here in our lesson. Okay?
Okay.
So let us listen to this one.
Page 3, Exercise 4, Listening. Life as an Immigrant. Part A. Listen to interviews with 2 immigrants to the United States. Where are they from? Huy.
Where are you from originally, Huy?
I'm from Vietnam, from near Hanoi.
And when did you move here?
I came here after I graduated from college.
Okay, it's listen song.
Okay, so
Oh, may I listen?
sure
again?
you can.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so is it okay now? Okay, so this time let us answer the question here. Where are they from? So we have here Hui and Ahmed. So where is Hui from?
Where is he from? Vietnam.
Hui is from Vietnam. Okay. How about Ahmed?
I'm not. I don't know his country.
Okay, but what do you think it is?
I forgot the country word.
That is in Egypt. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so Hui is from Vietnam and Ahmed is from Egypt. Okay, that's good. So this time let us have here the script so that you will know. Okay, so I will just copy the script that is in here in the book. Okay, for a while. So we have here number 1, Hui, and number 2 is... Okay, so can you see that one? Yes. Okay, so this time let us try to read each of those interviews that they have with Hui and Ahmed. Okay, so I will be the interviewer and you will be both Hui and Ahmed. Will that be okay? Okay, so let's start. Now, where are you from originally, Hui?
I'm from Vietnam, from near Hanoi.
And when did you move here?
I came here after I graduated from college. That was in 1998.
And what do you do now?
I work for a communications company.
I see. So you're an immigrant to the United States.
That's right.
What are some of the difficulties of being an immigrant in the U.S.?
Oh, that's not an easy question to answer. There are so many things, really. I guess one of the biggest difficulties is that I don't have any relatives here. I mean, I have a lot of friends, but there is not the same thing. In Vietnam, we visit relatives on holiday and the weekend. It's not the same here.
And what do you miss the most from home?
Oh, that's easy. My mom cooking. There are some great Vietnamese restaurants here, but it's not the same as my mother's kitchen.
Okay, so thank you for reading the first interview for Hui. Now this time let us go to Ahmed, okay? So, where are you from, Ahmed?
I'm from a
That is Egypt.
or Egypt.
Okay. So, and when did you move to the US?
Not now. I moved here to attend college, and after I graduate, I got a job here. I'm working as an engineer.
Uh-huh. And what was it like when you first came here? Was it difficult?
Yeah, it was a time. The biggest difficulty I had was with education system. Things are very different here. Teaching method, everything is different from what I was used to in
That
England.
is Egypt. Okay, it's okay. Now, and what do you miss the most from Egypt?
My family and my friends. I try to go home often, but it's expensive to go back. I have some friends come to visit next month, so I will look forward to that.
Okay, that's good. So, thank you very much for reading the parts of Hui and Ahmed. Now, do you have any questions with their conversations? No questions. So we can easily see what their life was when they immigrated in the U.S. So do you know someone, a friend, maybe a relative or a loved one who migrated to another country?
My friend?
Do you know someone who already migrated to another country?
Okay.
Okay, so I'll just put the question below.
Okay.
Okay, so can you see this one that I have put below? My question is, do you know someone who already migrated to another country?
I don't know someone will migrate to another country, but in my company, the some some of some of my colleagues they migrate to Taiwan. Uh, have several years
Mhm.
for several
Okay, so you have some colleagues who migrated from another country to Taiwan, right? Yes, that's great. Okay, so thank you for sharing about that. Now this time, let us have the letter B. Okay, listen again and complete the chart. So again, we are focusing here on the listening part or the listening skills. So we are going to listen to another audio file again. Okay?
Okay.
So open that one. I'll let you listen to it.
Okay.
Okay, so now you are done. Now, this time let us answer the questions in the chart. So you will put where Hui and Ahmed is based on, or what is the answer in both Hui and Ahmed. Okay, so we will just put the answer here. So first, when did he move to the United States? So let's start with Hui.
He moved to United and
Okay,
1998.
so that is 1998. How about, okay, 1998. How about Ahmed?
When he graduated from
So what year is that?
Yeah.
What year is that?
um,
What year? If Hui is in 1998, then what is the year of Ahmed's move? What is the year when Ahmed moved to the United States?
I mean, I forgot.
Okay, so don't worry, that is in 2005. Okay?
Okay, 2000. Yes. Oh, I think it's
Mhm.
2000.
Okay, so what is difficult about being an immigrant according to Hui?
Here is so I Oh, relationship.
Pardon?
His now is different from um, and
Okay.
I forgot his name.
So, his difficulty is that he has no relatives in the US. Okay?
Oh yes, no relative in the US. He have weekend holiday in Vietnam.
Okay, so now this time,
And
how about this one, Ahmed? What did he miss? Or sorry, what did he or what is difficult in being an immigrant according to Ahmed?
He said the education system is different with
Yes, Egypt.
which is because there's Egypt because it's more difficult.
Yes. Okay, and number 3, what did he miss the most? What did Hui miss the most?
His mom.
Okay, so that would be his mom's cooking. And how about Ahmed?
His family
Okay,
and
so
friends.
that would be his family and friends. So thank you for that. Good job, Akira. Now I can see also that we don't have much time left, right? Okay, but anyway, good job in the class today for having or remembering the things that you have learned. Also, in the listening part, I can see that you have listened very well to the information. But please practice more in listening very carefully so that you will be able to get the information well, okay?
Okay.
So, thank you very much. See you in our next class. Goodbye. Thank you.
Goodbye. Thank you.